Get a load of all this brothers. Brother,
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 What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you've seen that meme, that brother, it's hilarious. It makes me crack up. But what we got here is a brother buddy build. Good friend of mine, lives here in town, is getting into models. He started building. He's put together the Fairlane, or no, the Galaxy, excuse me, the AMT Galaxy pile of garbage kit, and he's doing a great job, and he's seeing stuff that I'm building and expressing an interest, and you know, I'm like, wow, you did such a good job with that Galaxy. Let's see you get into a clean build, you know. Let's see what you do with a Revell or a nice AMT, one that's, you know, a nicer mold. Doesn't know yet, but I got these recently at the honey hole that I've been hitting recently, Antique Mall. I got all 4 of these, or all 5 of the kits actually. This came with it too, but that's another video. I got them all for such a great deal, and as you can see, this one's sealed new. This one is sealed bags inside. It's all there. And the other Impala is all sealed bags inside. It actually was already sealed. I opened it just to peek at it. And this one, this is part of the reason they were so cheap. The way that they were displayed at the store, you know, they both had kind of ratty boxes, and you open them up and you see that. Ugh, oh boy, right? Any normal person look at that and go, I'm not going to pay you for that. I look at it and go, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the rebuilder. This is absolutely. I've built one before, and it's a clean kit. So I went through everything, checked it, and saw, sorry, plastic noises. The only thing that I can find that's missing out of this is the speaker cabinet. So it's whatever, cool. I can make one of those. Everything else is all there. It's all there and ready. So my thought was, get him one of these, get him started on the Impala, go through, you know, the process, the puzzle, and see how he likes it, and then step up to the Escalade. Not that it's really a step up, it just has some different, it's got the rear door, really. That's the only complicated part about this whole build. And this is a pretty standard puzzle, you know, engine, interior tub, underside. And it's got some really cool options. Brother. Sorry. You know, it's got some great wheel and tire options, as well as some pretty cool custom options. I've built this kit before. Was it the Heavy Chevy? I think they called that one. It was supposed to be like I've had one of these. I've had one of these cars, and it's a replica of my car. So that's about it, basically. Now we got a big mess here to clean up. It's just so that you know, coming up on the channel, you're gonna see this one first, and then this one. And I'm probably gonna do some of them in a separate series. Hey, you guys, you're crashing your bikes, man. You're making a mess over here. I don't like to do how-to videos, and I don't like to do a series of videos because it just gets lost in the algorithm. But I do want to do this one as kind of an instruction video. I plan on doing little portions that my buddy can watch and follow along and follow the process that I've learned how to do it. And he's like, wow, man, how do you get so good? I can't believe it. And I'm like, you know, it's just practice. Practice makes better. I counted the days. I did the math on how long I'm doing this, and you know, I mean, hell, it's easy. It just spend 1,000 days back to back, 8 hours every day, and you too can build fine models. But anyways, brother. Stay tuned for more.
Get a load of all this brothers.
Brother.
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 Brother.